Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how to delete a playlist on YouTube. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to the YouTube app on our mobile devices. It can be absolutely any device, like a tablet, like a computer, like a phone. And then we're going to go to our profile in the upper right-hand corner. We have to log in. Click on your channel. It opens up our channel. Here we have Home, Videos, Playlist, Channels, and About. Click on Playlist. Here we find the playlist that we want to delete. I click here. Here we click Delete and click Delete Playlist. And then it's completely and permanently deleted. If you liked this video, you can put a like, subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching. See you later. Goodbye.